Hi, my name is Mark Vogel. I'm a music director here in Los Angeles. I've been a music director in LA for over 20 years. Started back at Sunset Gower Studios in television and then moved over to ABC and did a show called Full House. I was in charge of the band on the show, starring John Stamos. The band was called Jesse and the Rippers. We were on for many years. It was a great start to learning musicians in this town and doing television for the network and doing some rock and roll on TV as well. Moved on from there to do 9 other television series. One of them was Two Guys Are Going to Pizza Place. Made Ryan Reynolds a star. That was on ABC. That one I won the BMI award for, and I know Mr. Elfman is involved here, so I was on stage. I won right after Danny Elfman. That was quite a privilege that year as well. Live performing is something I do as well. Currently I'm in the studio, as you see here. I produce new artists, most of them 16, 17, 18 years old, so I do know a lot of the top musicians here in town from doing network shows and big records, but I know a lot of the new ones as well, which is pretty cool. I pretty much know most of the people that play here in LA. Live, I'm conducting for Broadway's David Burnham right now, which puts me on stage at the grand piano conducting. I get to play concerto every night. Then I'm with him when we're not here in town cutting records. I'm going to play a little piece of that for you. I know you want to hear some live piano and a couple other cues as well. We'll do them right here in the studio. Hope you enjoy. So we're here in the studio. I'll show you a couple of styles of music. Something with a groove. This is a song that's I'm just producing on a new artist at Nickelodeon. He's a young guy doing a song called Be Who You Are. So Luke, why don't you roll it up somewhere around the bridge? We'll play a little of Be Who You Are. This is a new tune just on iTunes actually as well. So one more piece. I'm going to take Amazing Grace. I'm going to add a little bit of Chopin, a little bit of Mozart, a little bit of Beethoven, a little bit of Vogel. I hope you enjoyed all the music, and I hope you enjoy the Amazing Concerto.